I just had to let you know you're
Dito sa bayan ng Lalo, ipinagdiriwang ang 26th Kabibi Festival at 445th Patronal Town Fiesta. Halina't ating saksihan ang Kabibi Festival!
Mabuhay ang Lalokenyo. Mabuhay ang Cagayano. Halika na't iyong tuklasin pang-apat na syudad.
As part of the 445th Patronal Town Fiesta and 26th Kabibi Festival celebration, the image of Our Lady of Piat has arrived here in Lalo yesterday, July 25, 2026. And now, we are witnessing the first Mass here at St. Dominic de Guzman Parish.
Let us sing to every nation, great is our God and King.
Dumako naman tayo dito sa Cagayan River kung saan matatagpuan ang pinakamahabang tubig tabang sa buong Pilipinas. At dito rin makukuha ang mga yamang tubig gaya ng isda, bennek, ginokan at kabibi na siyang pinagkukunan ng mga mamamayan ng kanilang pangkabuhayan.
Today, July 30, 2026, we are witnessing the Drum and Lyre competition and the Kabibi Cheers and Yells competition. These events have become a cherished tradition among us Laloqueños because they bring us together and showcase our creativity, talent, unity, and uniqueness. Through these competitions, we celebrate our culture, strengthen our community spirit, and inspire us one another to give our very best.
Mabuhay ang Lalokenyo. Mabuhay ang Cagayano. Halika na't iyong tuklasin pang-apat na syudad. Ikaw dito'y siguradong panalo. Halika na't tuklasin ang kagandahan ng Lalo. Tayo ay dumaan sa Magapit Suspension Bridge, pati na rin sa Cagayan North International Airport. Lumang gusali bisitahin, Tocolo na Ruin sa Tabacalera, pati na rin ang Parokya Santo Domingo. Tayong lahat ay sama-sama at magkaisa. Laloqueños nandito.
Today, we are here at the Lalo Park, where we're witnessing the Mountain Bike Challenge.
Today, August 4, is the main day of the Kabibi Festival, where we Lalokeños celebrate and get together with our relatives, families, and friends. Our festival is not just a festival, but also a tradition and culture to us. Lalokeños for years, especially our patronal town fiesta, where Our Lady of Piat comes and visit us. Together, we are not just people, but a community full of love and hope.
And that's it for our town.
Isda, kabibi, binokan at
Tubig tabang. Kung sa
Another to give our parents.
Festival tuwing August.
July 13, 2026,
Today, July 30, 20, saying the drum and lyre competition event.
are witnessing the drum and lyre competitions.
binokan, kabibi, binek at kabibi.